Welcome to the virtual reality experience for the Bosch Dishwasher. See all those dirty dishes in your sink? Let's go inside the dishwasher and see how they're cleaned. The Bosch Dishwasher sprays water at the perfect angle and pressure to remove even the most stubborn stains. Its powerful yet gentle wash ensures that you don't need to pre-rinse your dishes. Your dishes are cleaned at a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius, killing 99.99% of all germs and bacteria. This is a level of hygiene that is impossible to attain while washing by hand. To top it all off, the Bosch Dishwasher does all this while using only 10 liters of water. You're saving up to 5 times as much water for a cleaner, more hygienic wash. And just like that, we're all done. Your dishes are now sparkling clean and dry and ready to be used again. World's #1 dishwasher brand, Bosch, invented for life.